I welcome all of you on Europedia Education, and this video is related to the launch of micro module of Cochin Shipyard Limited. I have updated in first video that Europedia has launched the second micro module for this particular job, and first was for HPCL. We have launched it for mechanical engineers and civil engineers, and this 70% to 80% of the part is that of HPCL micro module, but then on the basis of the previous years we are going to add to that particular micro module, and we believe more than 85% paper will come directly from the micro module. And there is another component which we have added other than the component which already was there. In the previous component it was lot of questions, test series and all, that everything will remain, e-book, test series and videos, that will remain, but live classes by the mentors, especially for Cochin, every day 1 hour live class for Cochin Shipyard, because it is 1.5 months now. So that is the another added feature, and in that live class, daily live class, we will be covering those topics which we think will be asked in Cochin Shipyard exam on the basis of our previous year's analysis. I want to also tell you one thing here. Majority of the students who are writing these exams are South Indian students only, because this exam is in Cochin. So many of the students were saying, sir, how shall I go from Rajasthan or Uttar Pradesh to Kerala and write this paper? And it is difficult, I tell you honestly, because there are many other things going on at the same time. So it is difficult for the students of North India to go there and write this exam. So yes, competition is drastically less. So if you see the seats, 37-40 seats of mechanical engineering, only couple of states, South Indian states. If you prepare well, you stand really good chance, because this paper will not be written by majority of the students from North India. They will not go to Kerala to write this exam. So your largely competition is eliminated there, and is a great chance. So prepare well, and micro module is going to provide you sufficient content so that majority paper comes from there. And the second part is 40% weightage given to GD, GT and interview, that we can prepare very well. So if you are interested in this job, don't miss the module launched by Europedia, and I'm not advertising, this is not for that. There are so many other modules, but if you are serious for this, there are many factors which can go in your favor if you go with this module. So go ahead, let's prepare well and convert it. Thank you.